Take the thing off of me head, woman.
No.
YouTube. This is what we call YouTube. Right, Captain? I mean, a YouTube thing. Yo, this look like Vietnam.
Turn it back. Don't look at me.
Yo, you know what I realize? No,
to Jamaica
listen, calm down. Listen, you know what I realize in life?
What?
Things don't always go our way, but we try hard to make it happen. Yo, calm down. We got this. Who you? Okay, you smoking? You soaking wet? But who you soaking wet with?
My husband.
All right.
Oh Jesus! I'm in the corner and hiding. In the river. And it's raining.
Ain't that serious?
I can't believe this. I'm in the river and it's pouring down rain on the raft. Thunder and lightning.
You can't get no better than that. Yeah, right.
Hold this. You hold that.
Okay.
Don't drop the people in.
And look, and when you get sick tonight, don't we call it?
Yo, video me. Come me there on the rock.
Me there on the rock. Me take the thing off of me head, woman.
No.
Sure. What them say in the rain? Rastafari. What them say? You're not ready? Yeah, your head big enough, my youth. Yeah. Put it up and up. Yeah. I saw the thing said. What them say? Whatever them call it and wherever them store it, you know the ganja weird. Yo, we have to burn it. Whatever them call it and wherever them store it, you know the ganja weird. Sure.
You said the ganja.
Hold on now. Ease up now.
You want to burn the ganja? I heard that.
Listen. Slow it down and catch the thing. If you don't understand me, I'll slow down for you, but me not slow.
No.
True. No mercy, aye. Kill people fun with a big long gun, never know if they ask someone. Show no pity. City upon the river we are off and everybody knows I don't give a shut. Anyway, we got to youth them, so we're not going to do it like that. Whatever them call it and wherever them store it, you know the ganja weed. Yeah, we have to burn it. Whatever them call it and wherever them store it, you know the ganja weed. But yo,
making it worse.
Them a come over the hills all in a helicopter, have them burn them when you see we plant another. Oh my sensei, I beg you don't touch it. Them a talk about it, direct society. I never hear about no marijuana baby. And them a talk about marijuana junkie. Yo, you better allow it. I make you burn it. Let's show. Blows and skirt. Run it.
Did we hit a mile?
You see it?
No.
It's the captain, entertainment on the board. See it?
Awesome.
Yeah, yo! Bad man tune on the water.
You can hold it.
Alright, let me hold it. Why you so lazy? That's how them Yankee pitney are coming up.
Start sneezing like a little puppy.
Yeah, you're gonna be doing one of me.
Thunder and lightning? No.
I can't believe it. I'm on the river and it's raining, thunder and lightning.
I mean,
My grandma rolling right now. In her
lift that up. Stop. Don't bother with the complainers, please.
Uh-oh. This is the deep part.
That's the deep part.
Oh, yeah. Ooh.
You can't drop off of that one or so. You see how deep the stick go?
Wow.
Lord, that's good. Come, bad man show. I rain a fall.
Okay, now it's not deep here.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
I have some strong arms.
Yeah, it's a workout, man. It is a workout. Is it a workout? It's a workout. This is the tour, the river tour. It's one more tune before me put it up. Yo, me can't voice a tune.
Go voice your tune.
Alright, me voice my tune. Alright. Yo! Hey, you know see that the heavens are both shot, they want your tune. Allow me now, man. They don't want me workout. It's the captain. Yo, I said they want to fight, you know. Let give you a fight. Alright, come. One more tune and then me park it.
Yeah.
Alright, which one, what we are going to do?
Let's do the quiet game.
The one now?
The quiet game.
No. We're not playing a quiet game.
Yeah, I like that.
No, we want a bad man tune. We want a gunman tune. Alright, what a gunman tune? Oh, yeah.
We're going to be sick.
Yo.
We all gonna
All
be
right.
taking a-
All
I
right.
already sneeze at night.
Because of the heap of talking. You see, because of not talk. You see the next man? This a phone tune.
Oh, really?
Hot another road out of your mouth, me charge for murder. This ice blood, you ready for run like a water. Who did tell you fi program like a gangster seat? Then a boy, you like gone without reason. Tell Perry Mason to be my lawyer. Now plead insanity, come in a mad rasta. They face the consequences like a mobster. No bother with the long talking, no rasta. So you a bad man, tell me from when master for me. Hey! For me, a little boy, me a sing the big gun. Who give me it until me don't put it down on my daddy? He said no making as some touch ground when you a clean it. Kaka next one put down in case a boy take shot out the deaf gun. Hey, nothing did if he hold up him tongue. If you a bad man, me no had time for waste. Shot all a boy, me don't clean out him face. Man, woman a talk about what a waste. But we no really care 'cause a bad man run the place. Yo! I'm not done yet, 'cause I'm not too.
No, you done.
Eh?
You done.
Yeah, you're good.
Hold on. Me hear what Captain I said. Why you said that? Lyrics, Captain. Me put pen to paper and write intelligent tune. Me not gonna make no man turn me in a cartoon. This is not Bugs Bunny and this is not Tiny Toon. Sure. You know it? Alright. Don't wanna be a player no more.
No,
don't wanna be a player no
Don't
more.
start
But
that
I'm
way.
try the girl I'ma dig off me. The girl I'ma rip off me. The girl I'ma tear off me door. Don't wanna be a player no more. Don't wanna be a player. Hold on. Captain, here. The way me so cute, me have girl problem, me have Dawn, Jennifer. And the one name carrying all 12 o'clock at me doorbell still ring. Ding, diggy, ling, ling. Ling, ling, me have to take up exercise. If a week me there at gym, that's what build my stamina, you know, me bossy ding sing. I want a good man in a 5 minutes. Yo, yet I interrupt the
No,
idea.
you telling lies now. You said that you went to the gym,
A whole bunch.
build up your stamina.
A whole bunch.
You see how them a try fight, yeah?
A whole
No,
bunch.
I know what you're saying. I know that's all
He's
I.
lying.
My God.
I know what you. I can understand.
My gosh.
Went to the gym for a week, build up my stamina. Right.
A total lie.
You see how them a fight, I?
Go to a gym for a week. I'll give you some money.
Right.
Yeah, me can't even voice out, cause some of them tune and they not for here, so me can't voice like me want voice, so me I go loud.
No, do that to somebody that don't understand you.
You don't know what it's a song.
We gonna tell you lies.